Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you are broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to South Korea for free. And if this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you see me, and I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for you? How do you find my videos? So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel I share with you 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So guys, without further ado, let's just get right into this business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of the Global Korea Scholarships, GKS, in South Korea? So guys, they offer bachelor's, master's, and also PhD. So are you dreaming of studying in Korea, or maybe catching a glimpse of K-pop or maybe K-drama culture while you are earning a prestigious degree? Guess what? The Global Korea Scholarships GKS is one of the most generous and competitive government scholarships, and it is open for bachelor's, master's, and PhD applicants. Guys, it is funded by the Korean government. GKS aims to strengthen international relations and promote Korean higher education. They also allow you to study at top Korean universities like Seoul University, National University, KIST, Yonsei University, just to mention a few, with full financial support. Yes, you heard me right. That's why I always tell you on this channel that are you planning to travel abroad but you don't have money? It is very possible, and I'm here to help you figure it out. So guys, these are the perks that it comes with. You get full tuition, you get monthly allowance. For bachelor's degree, you get 900,000. For master's degree, you get 1 million. And then you also get your airfare, return trip. Yes, they pay for your flight, to and fro. Yes, so from your home country to South Korea and back to your home country. You also get settlement allowance and language training, research funds and theses, printing costs, medical insurance. Here is the eligibility criteria. Number 1, you must be a citizen of a GKS eligible country. You must be under 25 for undergraduates and under 40 for graduates. You must hold a CGPA of 80% or above, and you must be in good health. And then as for the embassy track, please apply through the Korean embassy in your own country. Yes, and as for the university track, apply directly to participating Korean universities. Please note that each track has different quotas and different deadlines. And for you to stand out, please make sure that you write a heartfelt personal statement and study plan for yourself. Get a strong recommendation letter or letters, and then show leadership, volunteerism, and academic excellence, and then prepare for basic Korean language training. TOPIK exam is also a bonus. And guys, GKS can change your life. Apply with confidence and good preparation. Make sure that you like this video, make sure that you share this video, and make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments as well. So are you considering studying abroad or traveling abroad? Guys, I want to tell you from my own experience, if you're considering studying abroad, guys, I want to tell you it's going to be the best decision you've taken in your life. Beyond academics, it is a game changer for building a powerful global network. And here is the reason why. You get diverse connections, because studying abroad connects you with peers, with professors, with professionals from different cultures and industries. Now, these relationships can open doors, yes, to international career opportunities. You also get global perspectives, because engaging with diverse viewpoints enhances your own adaptability and cultural intelligence. Yes, these are the skills that they value in today's interconnected world. You also get access to alumni networks, because universities abroad have very strong global alumni communities. You can tap into these networks, and it can lead to mentorship, it can lead to internship opportunities and job prospects, as well as business prospects. You also get into exclusive events and collaborations, yes, off campus and on campus. So you also get international conferences, yes, to campus clubs, and you have endless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. You also get career boosts, because relationships that are built abroad can translate into recommendations, into partnerships, or even startup collaborations in the future. So besties, studying abroad is not just about a degree. It is about building a network that spans the globe. Now, are you ready to actually take the leap today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any question for me, I am here to support you. I am here to help you. And in my next video, I will be sharing with you how you can also travel to Turkey for free. Yes, so Istanbul for free. And I also found another opportunity of how you can travel to the UK not with the study route. Yes, if you want me to drop that in my next video, just leave it in the comments. Ask me in the comments. Can you drop the video, the UK opportunity that doesn't have to go do with school, having to study abroad? I recently found it and I'm so excited to bring it to your doorstep. So guys, there are lots of opportunities out there, but you need to know where to look. You need to know what channel. And I promise you, this is going to be the best channel, the most valuable channel that you will ever join. So make sure that you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Share this video with your friends. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I have countless opportunities that I recently found because I'm constantly researching for you guys. Like last night, I researched and I found a lot of opportunities, and I'm here to bring it to your doorstep like every single time. And if you want to speak with me one-on-one, you want to book a consultation with me, then you have to join my Patreon community. Yes, I have a Patreon community where you can, also join, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, or you can decide to join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right here on this channel, and then book a one-on-one consultation with me. I'm here to support you guys all the way till the very end. So guys, if you know that this video has blessed you, you know how we do it, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. And if you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Oh yeah, introduce yourself in the comments. Yes, I'm looking at you right now. Introduce yourself in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all my returning subscribers, you guys, I owe you everything. I know I'm here because of your support, so I want to say big thank you to you guys. Like, I can't talk about my success without acknowledging you, my subscribers on this channel, people who are returning subscribers, people who always tune in to watch my videos every single time. I want to say big thank you to you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again. And yes, do not forget, if you have any question, you need support in any way, shape, or form, please leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And quick one, guys. I know that you are all, you're very positive, you're very optimistic, and you want to watch my videos. Please, beyond watching my videos, in as much as I encourage you to tune in to watch my videos, I want you to also apply, because I'm rooting for you. I want to see you succeed. I'm rooting for your success. That's all that matters to me. What matters to me is I want to see people emerge, people who tune in to watch my videos, and they're going from nothing to hero, to becoming hero, overnight successes. But of course, overnight success has to do with a lot of years of work, hard work. And then guys, I want you guys to apply. Beyond watching my videos, please click on the link in my description. Click on the link in my description and please apply for all of these opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. And if you have any question for me, like I said, I'm here for you. I read every single comment. I respond to all the comments by myself. Yes, my team handles something else, but as for the comments, this is you and I connecting on a personal note, so don't worry about it. I will see your comments and I'll respond to you. So make sure that you introduce yourselves in the comments if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, I see you guys, I love you guys, and I acknowledge you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Till I see you guys in my next video, keep doing and keep sparkling for your girl classes. Take care guys, and bye for now. Love you.